Right then, back in for another episode of Dylan's Car Restorations. In this episode, we're at Mallory Race Circuit for the Mark McCann Soapbox Race Day. Boy, have we got a lot to get through.
Where are we?
Mallory Park.
Yeah, and what are we here for?
Soapbox Racing.
Yeah, and whose event is it?
Mark McCann.
You excited?
Yeah.
What have you got in your hands? What have you got there? What sort of Lamborghini is that?
Lamborghini Aventador SVJ.
Is it an SVJ?
Yeah.
So this was our first time at Mallory Race Circuit. As I say, Dylan was absolutely buzzing, and yeah, getting on the racetrack made it even better. So, as I said before, we've got so much to get through in this video. We've got everything from Hot Wheels hunting to Soapbox Racing. We've got a Chicken Nugget Showdown, and also at the very end, we've got the Chili Chip Challenge. But up first, let's have a look at some cars.
Over here.
What's this? What's over here? Oh, it looks very nice. Oh, yes.
Seeing as it was the Mark McCann Soapbox Race Day, it seemed a bit rude not to admire some of his cars. Now, my favourite was this Lamborghini Huracan Sturato. Now, I'm not a massive fan of BMWs. Controversial, I know, but they just don't do it for me. Now, these three, though, were absolutely stunning. I think they had a nice blast treatment, and they were absolutely mint.
Come on then, should we go have a look at the Hot Wheels while Mummy's in there?
Yeah.
Keep you entertained. What are you on the hunt for then? I'm going to say they look like they've got lots of cool things here, to be fair.
Yeah, they have. Oh no. They're flying away.
They're all flying away.
Daddy, I've got that one.
Alright, I got it, bub.
Cheers.
Got them there.
I've got that one.
Fight him with the wind today.
Yeah, I think it's going to be one of those, isn't it?
If I could,
Have you looked at the other side? Which one would you have out of all of these then?
out of all of these, I would have that Mazda.
Yeah.
Ford Sierra.
Oh, I do like that Ford Escort though.
And Daddy.
Yeah.
And this. That's what I would have out of all.
Is that what you'd have?
Well, let's look at the premium.
Right, so as always then, we are on the hunt for Hot Wheels. Now, looking at some of the premiums here, now I wasn't willing to pay the price that they were asking for on the day, but as I say, what we were really looking for was one of the main lines. Now, we have got a few premiums in our collection, and at some point we probably will show you a little bit more of the collection of Hot Wheels that we have. But at the moment we were looking for a main line, like I say, something that we wouldn't usually find in the shops when we go out on our peg hunting adventures.
It's nice.
After scoring some awesome Hot Wheels, we had a look around the rest of the stalls to see what they had to offer.
It's Mr. Bean's car. Do you reckon that's what Mr. Bean had under the hood?
Yeah.
That's what Mr. Bean really had under the hood, wasn't it?
Look. Look.
That's mummy sort of thing, isn't it?
So Dylan was amazed at the state of this car. Now, I think personally it's probably a little bit beyond our aspirations of crash damage car rebuilds, but hey, you never know. Now, another thing that we end up doing at all the car shows is the obligatory fist test, and this Nissan GTR definitely passed it. So, also at the Mark McCann Soapbox Race Day, another highlight for Dylan was Senna's Family Fun Zone. Now, this was brilliant. Dylan got to have a race around, have a bounce around, and another massive highlight, he even got to meet Senna herself.
A spot on store and Amtrak. There's no milk around.
What is this all about, my friend? We just want to have a good time, and I try not to get emotional, but thank you for all turning up. I was a bit worried no one was going to turn up, and just look at you guys, and thank you so much, and thank you to everyone who helps and everyone who supports our channel. We have an amazing time doing it. We're really privileged to be able to do it, and thank you everyone for coming today, and hopefully we can have a good time.
So, like Mark's just said, he really enjoys what he's doing, and do you know what? We absolutely love what we're doing too. Now, I want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you that watched the last video and hit that thumbs up. The response was amazing. Cheers, guys. So, after some crazy soapbox antics, next we've got the Chicken Nugget Showdown.
It's as much about up here as it is down there.
You honestly, probably most of these people here now think they can do it, but yeah. Right then, how's everybody looking? And in between this, we're going to have the Lego running race.
You are ready. Okay, should we go? 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah! So, 100 chicken nuggets in 1 hour. That's the challenge. Let's see how they get on.
It's getting wonderful to Alex Crew, isn't it? He's picked wine with chickens on it.
Is that the edge? They said achieve your video, everyone, come on! They said achieve the page! Oh, we've done them all, okay. Stu Macker. John. Good luck, Stu.
I haven't on my phone, sorry about it. Lay on the bottom of the thing. If you've ever tried on Lego, you know how bad it is. And to do 15 metres, me and Jane tried this in the kitchen, and it was brilliant. Absolutely.
I saved it, I saved it.
Now, why you'd want to volunteer yourself for this one is beyond me. If you've ever stepped on Lego, you will know how painful it is, and I can feel their pain every step of the way.
Well done, sir. How do you feel about that?
I also put rocks on it.
Do you recommend it?
Should we check in on your notebook challenge? How are you getting on? So I make it 33 completed at the end of this one, that'll be 40. Okay, so Lucas at 33. Taylor, other than owing a charity £20, how are you getting on? Me owing a charity £20, that is.
I've done 50 and I'm going to say I'm done because these are so grim I just can't be bothered to eat anymore.
Can't bear it.
I could literally wash my car with these, they're like sponges, they're horrible.
Forget clay bar in your car, just get an old nugget. 10 minutes. Strap in, mate. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. I so believe in you. So Pedro has been sick, is that right, Pedro? Hand up? Yeah, he's owned that, isn't he? Yeah, he's like, yeah, I've bombed everywhere, mate. Is it your mate, Pedro? He went, I want to pass my send-off sick around. Oh, indeed. Oh, from the audience. Hey, Stu, you ready? Oh, okay. Shall I, though? Come on! Oh, it's a metaphor for motor addicts, that is.
So, well done, Stu. Didn't quite make the 100, but 83. Top effort, mate. Top effort. So, time to have a look at a few more cars, and then we'll get onto the Chili Chip Challenge.
It's made with the hottest chili in the world, the Carolina Reaper. And please do not take it if you are pregnant. And if you and this is actual cow milk from real cows. Okay, chippies, open up.
Every few minutes it gets worse.
He's picking the powder in.
My chemical romance is breathing in heavily. I think it could escalate.
Adam, how's it going? It could be better. Your ears are so red. Oh my God. Your ears. Right, ladies and gentlemen, do you want to see these guys drink 4 pints of milk? Stand on the chairs, please, guys.
and peel back your foil. Peel back the foil. 3, 2, 1, go! Sorry, I had to get that right as a family show. Oh, it is going down. Contestant number 2, Adam Standing, is doing alright, but number 1's winning at the moment. Oh my god, this is escalating quickly. I kind of want to get out of the way, just in case they chunder. 3 points down, number 1 and 4 are in the lead. Oh, he's coming in a hard second. Come on, stop talking, start drinking. No! Adam Standing is the winner. Give that round a round of applause.
What an amazing day. We have a few words from Mark, we have some awards, and then it's the journey home. I'd just like to say a massive thank you to everyone that's watched this video, for all of the support that we had for the last video, and most of all, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And we'll see you again in another episode of Dylan's Car Restorations. Thanks for watching.